얼어붙어 like whoa 띵하고 어지러워 I see 한여름에도 난 겨울 Yeah, girl you cold blooded Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 children 꿈에도 I wasn't done with 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해 배신감이 들어 단판이 돼도 머릿속을 흔들니 ibuprofen 그만해 it's time to stop 승부욕을 자극하는 style yeah. 알면서도 마음이 자꾸 내게 가 안만 빠져버릴까 If you want me back I'll tell you I'm sorry If you want me back I'll tell you stop trying Yeah, yeah, you got me Let it go 얼어붙어 like whoa 띵하고 어지러워 I see 한여름에도 넌 겨울 Yeah, girl you cold-blooded Yeah, girl you cold-blooded Yeah, yeah, yeah Girl you cold-blooded Girl you cold, girl you cold-blooded I'm like frozen 뭐야 모두 stress은 gotta let it go 했어 소개팅 데이팅 어플 다 깔아 또 보았어 반대가 끌린대 opposites attract Don't know about me and you yeah we fell into the cracks Yeah 깎고 너네 no cap way down a boy
It's actually a real tank.
Yeah.
It's a war tank.
To France.
Pardon?
It was used by Germans to infiltrate France.
Yeah.
6 volunteers.
1918.
The crews of Bud, Cyclops and Gretchen at Rosier
Western
in April
Front.
1918. Seeing A7V's Gretchen and Siegfried in action brings to life the cumbersome but fearsome nature of these new armoured vehicles.
Dad said that he showed you guys
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every break. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole...
You guys, this is a man-made beach in front of the city. And you can literally come here during summer. Right now it's obviously cold, so it's not like full, but this does get packed. And then over there you have one with sand and stuff, so yeah.
The city of mine, it never gets me down.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at. A spot where
Oh wow. I like the hummus.
What were you gonna say, Papa?
In El Salvador, we have a name for everything. We call it that and this. What is
The lamb. I'm having chicken, lamb, and lamb cutlet mixed grill.
Looks like a gun.
This is so nice.
This statue of Confucius was donated to the people of Queensland by the Jinan Municipal Government, Shandong Province, People's Republic of China, to mark Queensland's 150th birthday. Happy birthday, Queensland.
Said eject, eject. Can take the load, can take the load.
Vegas, you should get like something with dice.
Yes.
Guys, look at my mom's nails. These are so pretty.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
I know. Hey, look at that. I like it. I love your nails, Mom. You gotta do something like
I
that.
love your nails.
I know, me too.
I love that color. It's really sweet.
Look who I'm with, peoples. My sister and my mum. So I got Richard rugby shorts from Rebel. The guy helped me, so it was really cool. My mum's getting it for Richard, so we'll see where we'll go from there.
We ordered again. We ordered the try first. I'll serve people.
So that's sticky rice.
Sticky rice. Es como un tamal. Es como un tamalito. It's got yummy stuff inside. To be honest, I'll give you that. And to be honest, I'll eat this one. What do you think? How yummy is it? Es como un tamalito, pero es chino.
That's so strange. The flavor is so strong. Wow. Yeah. Well, the way that the shop works is that you pick whichever box, and it could be any of these, so you don't know which one you're picking. So I got this for Richard. Look at the stick that my sister got. What just happened? I was going to eat this. Oh, no. Hey guys, so it is my last night here in good old Brisbane shopping centre. I just got a bunch of chocolate with my dad. Now I'm heading home. I'm packing up my clothes and I'm getting ready to fly out tomorrow. Back to Las Vegas. Alright guys, so I got all my chocolates that I love from Australia. I got my Tim Tams, my flakes, I got a few other personal stuff. Now I'm trying to fit everything in this suitcase. Where is Richard when I need him? Yeah, I'm gonna miss you so much. You just remind me so much of Assassino that I just miss you, and I'm so happy that I get to hold you like this. I'm just gonna miss you, bud. I'm gonna miss you a lot. A lot, a lot. A lot, a lot. Alright guys, I'm all packed up. I have 3 of these underneath. And then I've got all my gifts that my family have given me. And some of my shoes. So I am all packed up and ready to go home. Alright guys, so I did want to show you the plug. The plugs in Australia look like this. It always reminds me of the Scream mask. It just looks so funny, but that's how it is here in Australia. These are the way that they look. And this is the plugins. See? Pretty cool, huh? So that's how this one looks. So yeah, I am all set. This was my little sister's room, so I stayed in it. Super comfy bed. And I got my stuff. I'm all set to go home. That's how it looks.
Ages ago. And I try to replace him. Collagen milk tea. Look at this Taro fresh milk, strawberry macchiato.
Which one are you gonna get? That is so cool.
It is the responsibility of all passengers to prepare any bag.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I am off back to Las Vegas. I said goodbye to my family, which was so emotional. I'm trying to still hold it together. That I'm off. Let's go. This is all the duty-free stuff here in Queensland or in Brisbane. Let's go say bye to my family.
한숨 속에 섞인 감정들이 묘사 마주치며 교차하며 갈피를 못 잡듯이 갈피를 못 잡듯이 또 지나가는 길 그 짧고 긴 시간 동안 주변 모습이 다 달라져 있어도 목적지는 항상 같아 Maybe you can feel the pressure that I've been living on I can say that it's been on my mind But I'm moving along 스쳐 지나가는 속에 흩어져가는 사람들 사이에 다가오는 표정들 뒤에 Maybe one day, maybe one day
I made it. Now let's go through customs. The dog spot. It's cool. Let's go. I'm so tired, you guys. Hey, renovations. More walking to the abyss. I've done more walking to this freaking gate than I did in Australia. Like, jeez.